Now, certain intangible assets, right? Why I'm going to show it differently is because in financial accounting terms, sometimes this play a very big role. So you should know about it. Goodwill, theoretical definition, name, fame, reputation of the firm. But practical example is you want to buy a existing firm, right? Now, say this is Camlin. I'm planning to buy the Camlin Industries completely. उनके पास जो प्रोडक्ट है सब मुझे खरीदना है, पूरी फैक्ट्री मुझे खरीदनी है, राइट ना? या अभी मार्केट में हल्दीराम का बहुत एग्जांपल चल रहा है, हल्दीराम को खरीदने जा रहे हैं, बरोबर ना? कितना? $800 billion. How did I come to $800 billion value? Simple. I calculated all the assets, all the raw materials, all the liabilities. I used this technique. I found out what is the value of his assets. From that, I deducted the liability, right? What all he has to pay. And I come to the value. Let us call it as a capital. And I come to what value, beta? $800 billion. And I go to that Haldiram wala and says कि भाई आपका assets का सबका value मिला कि $800 billion है, ये लो रोकड़ा. He says कि नहीं, I want 1,000 billion. Why should I pay you $200 billion extra? What am I paying you for? You are paying me for the brand image that I have created in the market. हल्दीराम वो होगा या मैं हूँ या मेरे अलावा कोई और भी होगा. When you go to buy the product, are you going to check who the owner is? No, you are going to check at the quality, right? The brand value that has been created. हल्दीराम है, पार्ले जी है, ये सब क्या बेटा पुराने प्रोडक्ट्स है. उन्होंने अपना नाम बना लिया मार्केट में. लोग आंख बंद करके प्रोडक्ट खरीद लेंगे, तुम्हें पता है, राइट ना? तो वो आंख बंद खरीद रहे विदाउट एनी ऑफ माई एक्सपेंस डूइंग. फॉर दैट आई हैव टू पे टू द हल्दीराम वाला सम एक्स्ट्रा मनी ओवर द वैल्यू ऑफ हिज नेट एसेट्स. नेट एसेट्स लेस लायबिलिटी, जिसको हम कैपिटल बोलते हैं. बट वो बोलता है कि नहीं, मुझे इतना चाहिए, इतना दोगे तो ही मैं बेचूंगा. हल्दीराम नहीं बिकने वाला है, उनको पता है उनका वैल्यू कितना अच्छा है. जस्ट एन एग्जांपल दैट आई एम गिविंग यू, करेक्ट ना? बट जो एक्स्ट्रा जो हमने पे किया ना बेटा, दैट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज व्हाट पेड फॉर द गुडविल. पेटेंट, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग द वे टू मैन्युफैक्चर एनी प्रोडक्ट, especially in what sector beta? Patent comes into play in pharmaceutical sector a lot. उस पर बहुत चलता है, पेटेंट का वॉर चलता है. एप्पल और LG उसके बीच में बहुत चला था पेटेंट. सैमसंग के बीच में बहुत चला था पेटेंट का वॉर. फाइनली दे कम टू अ कंक्लूजन, बोलते हैं कि मैंने ये बनाया, मेरा मेथड से तुम नहीं बना सकते, उसने बनाया मेरे मेथड से तुम नहीं बना सकते, राइट ना? दीज आर ऑल पेटेंट थिंग्स, राइट? ट्रेडमार्क. If you remember, I am having this Camlin. Earlier, Camlin had a trademark of a camel, symbol of camel. Nike, a tick mark. Audi, that bangles, something in the form of that bangles. They are all considered also beta trademark, right? The product is identified with the help of that trademark. You don't have to mention it's an Audi car. The moment they see that symbol, okay, this is an Audi. Adidas, Nike, everybody has got what? Its own trademark. What is it for them? A non-current intangible asset. Copyright, right? Harry Potter सबने पढ़ा ही होगा. J.K. Rowling, what did she do? She wrote and she gave the entire to the manuscript to the publication house, and what are they did? They pay for the copyright. She has got the copyright of the thing. Nobody else can write the copyright on the same book. The stories that she has written, nobody else can copy it. For which she is being paid what? Royalty. For which she is being paid what, children? Royalty. Clear? So these are some of the basic accounting terms and terminologies which we have to use in our studies, right? These are some of the things. Actually, I'll not say it is exclusive. No, it is inclusive. A lot of things are going to be included, but these are the major headings. Now, what all the remaining new things comes as in we take the lectures, what we are going to do is we are going to correlate it with certain amount of these things only. Right now, what we are going to do is we are going to correlate with what these entire things, so it will become more easier for you. Okay, so thank you.